Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, we will show you how to delete orders in your Shopify store. Whether it's an order you no longer need in your records, we will walk you through how to remove it from your dashboard. Let's get started. On your Shopify dashboard, we need to go to Orders. Once you find your order, for example, you might see a draft order. Let's use this as our sample order. To delete it, we just need to select the order and then click on the three dots. From there, choose to delete the order. We can also select multiple orders if we want to delete more than one. Just click on the three dots again and select Delete Orders. Once we confirm, the order is removed. And that's how we delete orders in a Shopify store. Keeping your order list organized makes managing your store much easier.